Up next on Who Wants to Do Some Math with Ms. Okey, factors are the bomb.
Who wants to do some math? Who wants to do some math? Hey, who wants to do some math? Who wants to do some math? Hey, who wants to do some math? 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 Hey!
Agent Okey checking in. Are you there, headquarters?
We are here, Agent Okey.
Affirmative. Bomb located. Examining device now. Looks like it's perfect.
The bomb is perfect?
The perfect opportunity to teach you about prime factorization.
Prime factorization.
I recognize the triggering device. We need to type in the prime factors of the number 36 in numerical order. Otherwise, the bomb will explode.
Agent Okey, is this mission possible?
It sure is. 36 is the product of 9 and 4. In other words, 9 times 4 equals 36. But 9 and 4 are not prime numbers, so we have to keep going. 9 equals 3 times 3, and 4 equals 2 times 2, and 3 and 2 are prime numbers. So the code is 2233.
Are you absolutely sure, Miss Okey?
I am. But to ease your mind, I'll walk you through it again. I'll even use different numbers. So 36 is also 6 times 6. Of course, 6 is not a prime number, so we have to keep going. 6 equals 2 times 3, both times. So the code is still 2233.
Can you disarm the bomb, Agent Okey?
Punching in the code 2233. We are clear.
Woo! Wonderful. Great job, Agent Okey.
Hold on. There's a second bomb.
Another bomb?
And this one is really impressive.
Impressive how?
An impressive opportunity to teach you even more about prime factorization.
So this bomb requires a code that's prime factors too?
That's right. We need to punch in the prime factors of 75 to disarm this bomb. Now, we know that 3 times 25 equals 75, and 3 is a prime number, but 25 isn't, so we've got to keep going. We need the factors of 25.
5 times 5.
That's right, Herbert Quotient. Great job. So the code is 355.
Godspeed, Agent Okey.
Punching in the code now. 355. We are clear.
Great work, Agent Okey.
But
But what?
there's a third bomb.
The third bomb?
And this one is out of this world. An out of this world opportunity to teach you even more about prime factors.
Agent Okey, can you defuse this one too?
Are the prime factors of 49, 7, and 7?
I don't know.
7 and 7 are the prime factors of 49, but let me break it down for you.
If you feel you must.
I must. The only way to obtain a product of 49 is 7 times 7. And of course, 7 is a prime number.
Of course it is.
So, the prime factors of 49 are 7 and 7. Punching in the code now. 7, 7.
Wow. Okay. The bombs are all defused now?
Yes.
Awesome work. Thank you, Agent Okey.
Don't thank me. Thank prime factors.
Thank you, prime factors. Good luck on your next mission.
I'll see you then. And in the meantime, don't forget to like and subscribe, Agent Okey.